Here's how to bar lace sneakers. Start by taking hold of your lace, and we're going to feed each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side at the bottom of our sneakers. So we're going to take one lace end down into it from above, smooth out your lace, and take another lace end down into the other very bottom eyelet. And before you pull that all through, here's a cool trick. Take a hold of your two lace ends, grab your sneakers, and slowly pull that lace through, and it'll mean it'll come out of equal length on either side. If yours haven't, don't worry about it, just pause the video. There's no rush. Make sure they're equal and there's no twists before we get started. Great. Keep a hold of your lace on the right, and we're going to count 3 eyelets up on the right, and when you reach the third, bring that lace end up through it from underneath this time, just like this. Looking good. Then we're going to bring this lace over the sneaker tongue and down into the third eyelet up on the left. So we're going to take it down into that third eyelet from above, pull it through, and you've just made a bar. Pop that lace out the way, and we're going to swap to the other lace and use it to fill in these 2 empty eyelets here. Smooth out your other lace, and you're going to bring it up through this empty eyelet here on the left from underneath. And we're going to bring it over to the other empty eyelet on the right, and we're going to take it down into that from above, just like this, to create another bar. Looking good. Keep a hold of this lace, bring it underneath that bar so it's got plenty of room to move around, and then we're just going to repeat that pattern. We're going to skip an eyelet on the right, and instead we're going to focus on the one above that, and bring your lace end up through that from underneath, making sure you've left the one below empty. Take the lace over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the left to make another bar. Great. Let's swap back to our other lace and use it to fill in these 2 empty eyelets. Keep hold of it, bring it up through that empty eyelet on the left. Take it over the sneaker tongue and down into the empty eyelet on the right to make another bar. Don't forget to bring the lace underneath the bar above so it can move around, and then we're going to repeat that again. Skip an eyelet on the right and instead bring the lace end up through the one above it. Take the lace over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the left. Don't forget, you can pause this as much as you need to give yourself plenty of time. There's no rush at all with this. Then we're going to skip to our other lace and use it to fill in the empty eyelets. Bring it up through the empty eyelet on the left. Take it over and down into the empty eyelet on the right. Looking good. Now we've only got 1 eyelet left. We're going to do something a little bit different. Bring the lace underneath the bar, and we're just going to bring it straight through that eyelet from underneath. Looking good. And then we're going to take it over the sneaker tongue and down into the empty eyelet on the left. So we'll have these 2 laces here. Just want to make sure they're both underneath that top bar. And then you can just go ahead and tie them in a little bow or a knot and tuck them out of sight down the side of the sneaker tongue. And that will sit out of the way, and it means you won't have to tie them up each time. Repeat on your other sneaker, and you'll have an awesome pair of bar lace sneakers. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people, and consider subscribing for your sneaker lacing content. Thanks a lot, guys.